Hi, welcome back to my channel, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cruising with Goldie. Well, guys, in today's episode, I'm going to talk about two major updates coming from the cruise industry. The first update is a very sad update, which is coming from Canada. Canada has decided that they are not going to allow any cruise ship to enter into their country at least for 1 year, which is February 2022. And the next update is when this cruise company is going to start their services again. All the major cruise companies. So guys, please watch this video till the end. So I don't want to waste more time. Let's start this video. It's awesome. Number one, we have the giant of the cruise industry, which is Carnival Cruise Line, and they have decided that they are not going to start their services in USA till 30th of April. What a disaster! And in Australia, 30th of May. Now, number two, we have Cunard Line. Now, Cunard is not a very big company, but still, they are one of the 7-star cruises, I would say, and they have decided before May 17th of May they are not going to start any of the ship. Like Queen Victoria is there 17 May, Queen Mary 2 28th of May, and Queen Elizabeth. I have personally worked on Queen Elizabeth, and they are going to start from June 4th this year. Number three, we have Disney. Disney is my favorite cartoon and company, and even on cruise ship they are very reputed company. They have 4 ships and they're going to start in late April. You can see the first ship they're going to start is Disney Fantasy, which is going to start from April 24th, and the last one is May 12th, which is Wonder. Number 4, guys. Number 4, we have Holland America. Now Holland and America is not going to start before 30th of April. All the ships are suspended, and there are some more news about Holland America. I don't want to read everything and tell you what exactly. You can just pause this video and read about it, and you'll get the information from where how this ship is going to start and which ship is going to start from where and what date. So just pause this video, read about it, and go through it. Now number five, we have MSC Cruises. All the ships are again not going to work before April 30th. Now it's a big company. Number 6, we have OMG. So many companies, and all these companies are so huge. I mean, I don't have to say anything about Royal Caribbean. You know how big is Royal Caribbean. Celebrity Cruises, Azamara, Norwegian, Oceania, Regent, 7 Seas of Cruises. I mean, these all are huge companies in cruise industry, and they are decided that they are going to resume their services from 30th of April this year. So guys, we are actually looking forward for these companies because they give lot of opportunities to Indians especially. So finger crossed, I hope for the best. Now we'll see number 7. Number 7, which company we have? We have the Princess, my first company where I started my career. And Princess decided that they are going to sail not before 14th of May in Caribbean, and Alaska sailing and from November, and Japan will be 25th of this year, June. Number 8. Now what company we have? Number 8, all the big company is being done. OMG. Now Seabourn Cruises is still left. Now Seabourn is not a very big company. It has around 5 ships, but 4 ships I have the detail. You can just go through it. If you're working in Seabourn, these are the date the ship is going to start. Number 9. Now let's see which company we have. We have Virgin Voyages. Guys, personally speaking, I really want to work in Virgin because I have never worked in Virgin because it's a new company, and I want to see how this company is. And they're going to start not before from 9th of May, and another ship is going to launch in 14th of November. They have holiday also, by the way. Now number 10, which ship we going to have? We have Windstar, okay, this is not a huge company, and they have decided they're going to resume their services from the May this year. Now, it is also a very reputed company in cruise industry, not a huge one. Again, I'm saying not a lot of Indian work, but it's a very good company and pays very good. And they have some more information about Windstar. You just pause this video and go to this whole itinerary, like when, which ship, from where it's going to start. I don't want to waste more your time. I know your time is precious, and you need to get ready for Valentine also, because 14th of May is coming and Valentine is very near. So I don't want to waste more time. You should concentrate on your girlfriend, or you'll be land up like me, all alone. Just kidding, guys, just kidding. Just making this video a little funnier because it's very serious topic now. Now, number, I don't have a number this time. It's Silver Cruises. Now this is also a cruise industry which is going to start 1st April. So guys, this was a small update which is coming from the cruise companies, which is going to come in coming months. But if you still have some question in your mind, you can follow me on my Instagram, and even you can write me on my Facebook if you don't have an Instagram ID, because I am online more often on Instagram. So I will request you more of Instagram, not of Facebook. So guys, I will come up with more beautiful videos about the cruise life and informing you about the cruise life. For then, bye from Cruising with Goldie.